Early ball. Shot. Oh, it's another great effort. Did it cross the line? The flag is up from the linesman. He says a goal. Mamelodi Sundowns have the lead. Vilakazi with a splendid strike.
Gerald Peary stands over this, can prove telling from these situations. Knocks it into the back of the net for his first goal of the season, and Baroka lead away from home, leading up toward half-time.
Mokoena with a left-footed cross, hangs up in the air. Chance for Shalulile. He's had opportunity in this game. Shalulile equalizes.
This is basically the second goal we're talking about. Nice pickup, yeah. And, whoa, that's a sharp shooter.
Quiet taste. We thought for a moment this is an opportunity, yeah. At least to a goal. Christopher David will open the scoring for Cape Town City.
Goalkeeper, he came and he's beaten by the big man, Mankoho. Wonderful goal, simply done from the set piece as well.
Footwork from Brilliant. What a start to the game he's had if you are just joining us. Manyama, that's a good ball for the movement of Nurkovic. Let's get in that box. Nurkovic. By nine. What knows that receives? What a way to find your debut.
He goes for long range. Oh, that is magnificent. What a strike from Jean-Paul Kekana. It rattles from the one post to the net like a pinball. But it is solidly in the back of the net. And after 8 minutes, Mamelodi Sundowns have the lead. An extraordinary goal. I think the goalkeeper just heard it whistle past him. What a strike.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable strike. We know we can strike them from range. But this